Hello everyone, this is the Poke family with my son Jared. We're gonna open, even though he took off the shrink wrap already, from this Costco 2-pack of Coradon and Maridon. $20 for both, not bad at all. So we already opened this one, no hits unfortunately, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with this one. Here are Jared's hamsters, 2 in there and 1 in there. He loves hamsters, huh Jared? Okay, go ahead and open it up. He beat me to the seal, but as you guys can tell, these are completely sealed. There are 5 packs in here, 3 Silver Tempest, which is not bad since they're out of stock. And
there's a code card.
I'm not sure if they are, but I know they're kind of dwindling down on the Pokemon Center app, and you have Paldea Evolve, which has significantly gone up in price too. So we'll go ahead and open these up. Hada, can you hold this for me, please? I'm gonna make sure you keep your
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, keep it on the plate though.
No, I can turn it around. Okay.
Oh, that's not gonna work. So hold it like this, like hold it like that. Oh, no, like this. So you got we'll do Paldea Evolve. Jared's a little sick. He had to leave school early today, even though it's his last day of school. Alright, Miko, here you go. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna have you do one by one. Okay. Let's see if we get anything good on this one. We got Shinx, Rookity, Zoomarrow, Ice Cube. Oh, we got a Vespiquen on that one. You forgot a Dunsparce. I think we're just gonna get nothing but reverse hollows here. And Veluza. And the energy card and the code card. Okay. So nothing significant out of that one. Okay. Hold it. Let me open this one up. Okay. And forgive us, it's the first time doing this. Obviously we didn't work on a setup and all that stuff, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up. Imagine we get the freaking... Okay, go. The Lugia V Altar on this one. I don't think we're gonna get anything good, I can tell, because there's nothing shiny. V card, Torracat, and Dragonair. That's our rare. Okay.
Code card.
Nothing. You can tell the white code card means nothing good. Okay, we'll do another Silver Tempest. Let me go ahead and open this one. Usually like to open it carefully so I can put the card back in. And I know it takes a while, but just bear with me, guys. And oh, this one has a green coat. Okay, here you go. Let's see what we get. Beldum, Krogunk, Solosis, Zubat, Elgian, Slurpuff, Gyarados, and let's see, come on, something good, nothing. Oh my gosh, nothing. All right, that's 3 down, nothing. What a horrible 2-pack we got. We haven't gotten any EXs, nothing. This is crazy. It's probably the last time we buy this. I mean, $20. Granted, you're kind of getting a 10 for free, Costco.
For
Now,
$10.
$20. Here you go, another.
Oh, this is for
now these
$20.
10s, again, both for 20 at Costco. I didn't find them in the toy section, even though they don't have a big toy section. We actually found them. Actually, Jared found them underneath the kids' book section.
So we have. Oh wait. What's this?
This is fighting
60 damage.
Yeah, milk and French.
Oh.
Quick swell. Oh, Therapeuta, that's a nice one.
Oh my gosh.
And Garnacle. Wow, nothing. No EXs, no Vs, no what do you call it? Illustration rares, no alternate arts. Wow, this has got to be one of the worst combination of 10s I've we've ever.
This is good.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. But for $20, it's not too bad. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's a hit and miss. We know that. Go ahead, careful with that. All right, here we go. Last pack magic.
Oh my god.
Okay, last pack
I didn't mean
magic.
nothing.
I almost have a feeling you're right.
Um,
Sunkern. Hey, there you go. There's our V-Star. Even though you already have that one, I already bought it for you. Candace, Crocorock, Bohemian, and that's it. So we got just the V-Star Unknown, which she already has. Right? Do you have this one? I thought I bought it for you.
yes.
Yeah, I think you do. Yeah, I did. Which is like a $2 card. And then, obviously, we have the...
So obviously we have a lot of gold cards.
A lot of cold cards,
One,
which we'll
two.
use for what? What do we
Just
use
for
those for?
even this.
For the card game, huh? Or avid players of a Pokemon TCGA Live, the online game. And hold on, don't separate them. So we can put them together. I think that's probably about it. Oh, and there's a few more up right here. Alright, guys, so that's our first video together. We look forward to making many more. Obviously, for the price, it's not too bad at Costco. $20 for two. I mean, this one by itself, when you buy it retail, it's probably around $20. And then this one, I mean, you're looking at like 15, maybe even $20 itself. So you're kind of getting one for free, really. If you're finding at Costco. Our Costco here had a bunch. Like I said, they were all under the book section, the kids book section,
Wait,
or
there's
one of
probably
the
a
book
cool
section by the clothing area, not in the toy section. And I had thought they were now, but apparently not. They were all just moved to under the book section by the clothes area. So no big hits, just this Unknown V. Although I did see one of the, what's that? That colorless energy that has an effect. Where'd it go? Let me see. Where did I see it? It was one of these cards.
Wait, I saw it.
It's one of those cards that can actually. Oh, there. Was it
It's
this
a
one?
medical
Oh, this
card.
one. The therapeutic
It's a medical
energy.
I found 5.
Not too bad.
I found 5.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of these cards can go up in value depending on the TCG. Yeah, the game that we play online, you know? The game that we play online. And, you know. Yeah, here's this one too. The V card guard. This one, 30 less damage. Nice. Okay, that could come through. That could come handy in the game. Here we have... recovers from being sleep, confused, or paralyzed. Okay, can't be affected by any of those conditions. Nice.
I just found.
Hmm?
I found 5.
Well, that's how many the packs are worth. There are 5, and then you have the one in there.
We just have 5.
So we're gonna go ahead and scan those packs, and then go from there. So we'll see you guys next time, YouTube. Thank you.